Hi, let's draw this drawing that we see in front of us. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the dimensions and they are in millimeters. So this is how the drawing looks like. So you can take a screenshot so you can be drawing this together. But anyway, if this is your first time, to come on this channel, please down here you're gonna be a link for subscription. So just subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss anything that you're gonna be doing here. So now I'm gonna go, let's say there we go on new day. Remember, when you subscribe, press the bell button to be notified every time. So I go for metric standards, millimeter, and then I say create. So once I'm here, what I'm gonna do is to make it easy, I'm gonna start with a rectangle. So there is my rectangle, right? So once I have the rectangle in place, I'm gonna have to give dimensions. So from there, that one day needs to be 96 millimeters. All right, so great. Enter. 64 millimeter, right? Great. So once I have those ones, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go for another rectangle. So that is my rectangle, and then I'm gonna go for another one. That is my rectangle. Great. I can go for another one again. You're gonna understand why. So now I'm gonna give dimensions. So this one here, from the up to the, that one need to be 16 as per our sketch. If you took a screenshot, then this is helping you already. So that's one, come on, is escape. That's my mistake. So that's one to the need to be 16 as well. That need to be 16 as well. So once that is 15, this one here, 16, sorry, this one here need to be 28. That need to be 28, right? And this need to be 40. Okay, this need to be 40. Great. And I come there, I choose a circle because I need this spot here, I need that spot over there. I come back here, then there is my circle. Great. And I need to make sure that the circle there, from there up to there, that need to be 20. That need to be 20. Great. And the circle here need to be 24. 24. Great. And again, what next? Okay, so that is done. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna have to draw this line here. Okay, so this line here goes up to there. Okay, this line is for that spot over there. I come back, right? So that is done. Then I want to remove anything that I don't need. I go and trim there. So I'm gonna trim that spot which I don't need. I'm gonna trim this spot which I don't need. I'm gonna trim this spot which I don't need. I'm gonna trim this spot. Okay, so that one is removed. Then the next thing that I want, I need to add dimension to my drawing. I'm gonna come here, I see 3D model, I say extrude. So now I want to extrude that part, I want to extrude this part. And this one here need to be extruded by 64 millimeter as per our drawing, 64 millimeter. So once that one is done, I want to get the other part that I drew. So what I'm gonna do is I come there, I say sketch visibility on IT visibility. I come back there, I can see that spot. I say extrude now. I want to extrude the spot. So the spot here need to be extruded by what? By 44 millimeters. Okay, 44 millimeters. Again, I say extrude. I want the spot here. Okay, let me see that spot there to be extruded by what? 12 millimeters as per our drawing. 12 millimeters. Great. So once that one is done, I need this spot here. Okay, I need that spot. So I come back again. So here I'm gonna go on the top part, then I go on sketch. I come here, right click, I say new sketch. For the new sketch, there I take my rectangle. There is my rectangle. There we go. And I want now this one here to be 20 millimeters. Okay, to 0. What? To 0. And this one here need to be what? 16. Okay, that need to be 1/6. Great. I say okay. And as per our sketch, from there up to there, that need to be not at the center, okay, but need to be 16. Sorry, 16. Okay, you can see that is a different dimension. As per our drawing, that need to be 16. And then again, I want to remove this spot. Okay, I remove that spot. That spot is removed. As you can see, come on, I need this thing here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select a line, then I come here, I click, and then I hold. When I hold, I come here, I do this. I join up to there. Okay. So that is great. That is done. Then I say 3D model, I say extrude. And then I click on the drawing that I just did, and this one there need to be extruded by what? With us. It need to be cut out. So I'm gonna say, let's say 40. That's fine. I say it to be cut by 40. Then anything that I say is need to go both sides. Okay, that side and that side. Then I say okay, right? So there is the frame of our drawing. So the next thing that I need now, I need to kill this corner, the corner over there. By what? By a radius of 32 millimeter, right? I say, okay, so now I want to remove those dimensions, the one that's written there. So I go there on the sketch, I right click on my mouse, I say visibility, I tip out, then there we go. So now you want to give a certain color, a certain material to your drawing. So let's say you want to give it a material. So what you can do, you go on material, let's go for gold. I always like gold. So you can give it gold. So, or else what you can do, you can give it color. It was red. So let's go for a color. I go there, right? Then I say red. So I choose the whole thing. Come on. I choose the whole thing for what? For red, you know. Or else I can escape again. I don't want this. What I can do is I come there. Okay? I want just a color. Light red. Great. Okay. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. So please, if it's your first time, down here is a button saying subscribe. Subscribe to this channel so you're not gonna miss out anything that we're gonna be sharing on this channel, because we're talking about engineering and everything that goes with it. So again, if you want to join us, you can join us to become our partner. Then take care of yourself and see you on the next video. Bye.